Hello everyone, welcome to rysonsspraybooth, and in this video I will tell you 3 things that you will have to do to get the autobody and painting job done quickly. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel, because we talk about autobody and painting stuff on this channel. And remember to press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So I'll give you a great one, guys. The first thing that you will have to do before starting any autobody work is you will have to wash your vehicle. Yes, you heard it right, guys. You'll have to wash your vehicle right, because on the vehicle surface there is grease, there is grime, there is oil, and if you start to do the sanding on this surface, your sandpaper will get dirty in just 1 minute of sanding. All the grease and grime will get settled in the grooves of the sandpaper, and you will have to change the sandpaper more often, which will increase the cost of your sandpapers. Also, when the surface is dusty and dirty, you can't see the scratches, you can't see the dents, and there is a tendency that you miss out on the scratches and dents, and when you go to paint, you will start to notice all these flaws and you will have to start the entire process again. And while you are washing your vehicle, you will most probably touch the entire surface and you will notice all the scratches, the dents, and when you do that, half of your job is done already of searching for the scratches and dents, and like this you will save lots of your time. So with that, let's move on to the next one. And the next one to get your job done quickly is apply as little body filler as possible. Now guys, in auto body work, most of the time is taken by sanding. Now when you apply very less body filler, you will have to also sand very less, which will save lots of your time. But if you apply lots of body filler, then it will also take lots of time to sand that body filler and level it. So less body filler, less sanding. And when you use very less body filler, it will also save money on your body filler. So when you think of saving your time, it also saves your money as well. So with that, let's move on to the third and the last point. And the third point is use sanding tools. Now as you guys know, most of the time for preparation work is taken by sanding. You'll have to do sanding before applying the body filler, after applying body filler, before applying primer, after applying primer, and the sanding never ends. You guys know that already. Now when you use sanding tools like the DA sander, the straight sander, it will cut down your sanding time by half, and it will also save lots of your efforts and energy. And the best part is it will also give you good result, especially on the flat surfaces. So if you want to get your job done quickly, then you will have to invest on the sanders. Now guys, if you want to learn autobody and painting seriously, and if you want to take your skill to the next level, then I teach autobody and painting step by step in my course. If you are interested, and if you love sanding, then I have put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and enroll yourself. Now our community is growing and I want to take my community to 1 million people. So if you want to be a part of the community, then go on the link below and get yourself enrolled. So those were the 3 points that you will have to follow if you want to get your autobody and painting job done quickly. Now I might have missed a point. If you think I have missed a point, then see that you comment below and let me know what I should add, and I will try to make a video on that as well. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is rysonsspraybooth signing out until we meet again.